In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a Facebook page. If you found this guide helpful, do consider subscribing and leave a like on this video. Let's get started into it. A Facebook page can be the perfect platform for establishing a brand, business, or any other venture. So let's dive into the creation process. It is straightforward, and I'll explain all the details you need to know. First, you'll need to tap on the menu option, locate either at the bottom or top right of your screen. Once you tap on the page option in the menu, it's usually near the top, but you may need to scroll down or tap See More. After tapping on page, go to the left of the carousel of option and tap on Create. Now we can start the creation process. Tap Get Started and choose the name of your page. In this example, I'll call it Network Guru Test. After you name it, tap Return and then Next. Next, choose the category of this page. In this case, I'll choose Education, as that's what my channel is all about. You can add more categories if you wish. Once you're done, tap Return on your keyboard and tap Create. Congrats! You're creating your page. It may take a moment to set up, and then you can finish setting it up by adding some information. You can type in a bio, add contact information like your website, email, phone number, address, location, and house. Now let's personalize it by adding your branding. Add a profile picture and a banner by tapping the camera icon and selecting the photo you want to use. After that, tap Next. You'll see a score for your page health. This is measure of how good your page is, and you want to get it as high as possible. You also have the option to add WhatsApp and invite friends. Choose if you want to marketing and promotional emails and page notifications. Once you're done with these settings, tap Done. You can now see your completed page with your profile picture and banner. It's a good idea to take a tour of your new page. From here, you can start posting content, inviting people, and even add an action button. This button is quite visible on your profile and can lead people to your website or channel. To see what your page looks like to visitors, tap the three dots again and tap View As. Here you can see what a typical viewer would you see. You can edit this information anytime by tapping the three dots and choosing Edit. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like. Cheers!